Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherley, for those who don't know. And today we're gonna do like a wig review. Over here at this channel, you're gonna get a little bit of everything because I like to do everything and everything likes me, so why not? It was recommended by a YouTuber. She said this was a really good wig, so I'm trusting her. This wig off of Amazon, maybe. Okay, it's an 18-inch. I got it in 18 inches, and it's curly, perfect for the winter time since it's still cold outside. And it's black. Here it is, 18 inches. It's supposed to be pre-done everything. The package. I think I have conditioner. I do have conditioner. Straight out the package. Here's the lace. Not bad at all. I'm gonna put a little bit of foam in there, and it comes with the elastic band. If I've got the name wrong, I'm gonna put it right here. that's what it says. Okay, I'm trying to think, should I keep this with it because it has the elastic? This is the first wig that I've had that has an elastic band, so I'm excited to try it on. I'm excited to see if it's gonna hold up, so I'm gonna take this off. And try it on without it, and then we're gonna put a little mousse coloring on there. The inside looks nice too. Look, nice. Okay, here it is. I think I got this off of Amazon as well. It's lace tint melting mousse.
Right, my AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Just cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. I
definitely need an edge brush because I don't have an edge brush, but I'm gonna use this Eco Style gel. This is
controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah. Like controller. Yeah.
Let me blow dry just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like control.
Okay. Don't like that. Okay. Try it again. Take two. Okay.
I'm sorry. You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story. It don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. That's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah. Like controller. controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
You want to do? You want me to show you how to do it?
Give one of those hairs that you have to like constantly wet it. Like it makes me feel like I should have dipped it in some water and conditioner, then popped it on, and then it would be easier to like lay. But other than that, like I feel like I need to add more water to the back.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller. Controller, yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, controller, yeah.
For now, I need to straighten all the left. Let me not get ahead of myself. See right here, I could have put more makeup on. I'm gonna put makeup on it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. And in the next video I might have this on because I'm gonna do my makeup. See you in the next video.
You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story.